Hello, welcome back to the last and the final episode in Mahabalipuram, and we were here to catch the morning sunrise. But when I put out the camera, the sun has risen, rise, and whatnot, and we can see the sailors are already back from their 4 or 5 a.m. shift. Fishes they had in their whole kind of like Christmas bucket, I can say. But it was interesting to see, although I don't like the smell or even want to touch it, but to see all the live sea creatures, amazing, on point.
ऑरेंज ऑरेंज क्या है? ओ इधर भी है।
हाँ?
इसके अंदर भी है। ये सब है अंदर अंदर।
साड़ी ना दी
बर्फ रे पुरे देवे नी। फिश है। यार भीतर भी अच्छी। डोंट टच। ये रहा स्क्विड आपका, मुझे लग रहा है काला मारी जो खा रहे हो।
Guys, now I am at the shore temple. Even without seeing the real sculpture, it's over the set. Mini sculpture. It's very big one. So now that's the place where we are going. So let's go. This is the entrance. So now, like, it's 100 meters to get inside. As the ticket is 40 rupees, but for each person, if you get, like, you have a ticket yesterday, and if you're tired and you gave the same ticket of yesterday today, the next day, so they'll not take it. You have to buy a new ticket. So better visit all the places at one day, or you have to buy the ticket once more time.
जानी थे लगी कौन सी अलवा इतना कोशिश करता
I saw a lot of chameleon.
ले आए क्या? दूर नहीं आए थे पूरे।
So I'm going to show you the chameleon.
हाँ ना गाड़ी दूर है।
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
So let me show you the shoreline that is going all across of this temple. That's the shoreline there, and it's just amazing. So on the side it has too much of waves, so the surfers are on this kind of side of the shore. So there are a lot of surfers, and I think right now the wind is also just right. It just has the right amount of wave pressure going on, or else it's just as sunny as always and we are all getting roasted as usual. But yeah, I guess this is in the process of getting much more structuralized, because they have plowed land, a bit of land right there in the middle. Not a bit, yeah, much more for the flowers, I guess, and much more things I think will go, because right now it's not here.
Okay, so here I'm gonna give you a very, very important tip. It's top most important tip. So if you have to visit the shore temple in your itinerary in the daytime, okay, do that, whatever. But it's a must to visit in the, when the daylights are out, because when the sun sets and the lights are turned on, it's just mesmerizing. The temple just looks like it's like, just beside the floating seashore with all the yellow lights. There is nothing like machinery going on or something infrastructure with some steel or building. It's just stone, nature.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can let
So this temple is of Shiv and Parvati right here, and there is other temple that side. Uh, yeah, that side. I think that one the east facing, and that one is closed due to some work is going on inside. And yeah,
Come na, I wanna show you something cool.
let's go.
Follow me.
चलो चलो.
Guys, look, something is written. GCATC9. It's written something. So let's go to the car.
So this is one of the, what can we say, heritage kind of monument of Malapuram. Yeah, and this is from the time period of Narasimha II, that this was existing then, around the time period of Narasimha II. So yeah, I think it's just a good place, and you can find many wonders if you are like interested in that. It's like it's a whole one rock, and this is made from one whole rock, and it's just carved by hand, I guess. Machineries are used or not, I don't think so, because it looks like it's carved by hand. So it's like the all one piece monuments.
Say cheese.
Time for photo.
There is no cheese.
Yeah.
This is a very oldest monument.
सो यहाँ पे मेरा कैमरा स्टेडी नहीं रह पाया, सॉरी फॉर दैट, बिकॉज आई वॉज रनिंग लेट, क्योंकि वो सब चले गए थे एंड आई वॉज स्टिल बिहाइंड. आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई वॉज डूइंग, बट इवन दो मेलेनिन बहुत ज़्यादा है, इट फेल्ट लाइक आई वॉज गेटिंग perfectly fried into, like, having the crispy red screen, even though you can't see the red on me, but yeah. So हवा अच्छी चल रही थी, it was very cool breeze, continuous breeze था. I won't say it wasn't there, but if you go around the temple, the east side or the west side, वहाँ पे इतनी breezes नहीं आएंगी, because of course it's blocking common sense what I'm talking about. But it was like a architecture ruin बोलना, I guess. It gives the artistic feel कि हम ruin देखने गए थे. But yeah, they have one temple. वहाँ पे छोटा सा दर्शन है. There is some darshan of Durga Mata also. There is some Nandi. There is some Nandi. Yeah, there is the Nandi, where I wished upon. And small craters are there, small ruins are there. You can sit, you can enjoy, you can have the direct view of the surfers right there on the shore. And रात में आओगे तो you can see the beauty, but sunset आओगे you can see the sunset, because वहाँ पे clear view है. There is no crowd नहीं है, there will be nothing. So if you want a sunrise view, if you want a sunset view, that's the spot that you have to hit.
एक डिजाइन ना वो वाला यहाँ पे सही लग रहा है. इसका ऐसे
ये इसका पैर है ना,
हाँ उसका पैर है मेरा.
उधर एड़ा पहन के
देखने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. इधर शैडो है, यहीं पे खड़े रहो. कहाँ जा रहे हो आप?
कस्टमर साइज का जेंट्स.
It's around 10 o'clock that we decided to finally have our breakfast. और भूख तो लगी रही है, तो फिर वो फिश तो हमने खा लिया था, सो और खाने का मन भी नहीं है, प्लस ब्रेकफास्ट में कौन खाता है वो अलग बात है. सो वी आर हेयर इन A to B and this is the perfect spot to have breakfast. Like in Bangalore and everywhere we had it. So now, yeah. Cart.
If you want this, you have to come to A to B. It's like around 3 or 5 or 10 minutes to reach from the hotel to here. So, now let's start eating.
Dosa party is going on here. I met him. Can you see the name?
Virat Kohli is my
Virat Kohli.
section ideal.
हाँ ठीक है, follow कर देना चाहिए तो. So he's a great guy. He's very chill guy. So वहाँ पे थी. Oh, he's a very chill one.
He's a chilling guy. Chilling. Just chill bro guy. Chill bro guy.
Okay, okay, bye. इतना भी नहीं बोल.
Chill bro.
So he helped. खाना इतना था, बच गया था. So he helped packed it for us. And he's like very helpful person. Yeah. Let's go. Finally, a stretch. And we will go.
वीडियो ले लो.
ले लिया.
टिन.
So we are leaving Mahabalipuram. Yes.
Now we are going to SRM.
Bye bye.
Yes. Now I am going to my sister's college to leave her. I'm very sad. I will tell her goodbye forever.
हाँ हाँ, तुम खाली मस्ती करोगे घर में. तुम्हारे तो बल्ले बल्ले अभी है.
होटल मामाला
ऊपर लग रहा है.
Beach.
हेलो एरा होटल
यहाँ पे ये अभी समथिंग टाइम कुछ मतलब ब्लू कलर का है ना, तो मैंने कहा सो जा. इसने कहा कि ये अभी के लिए थोड़ा रेड चेंज हो गया था, तो इसने कहा कि जब रेड होगा तो ही मैं सोऊंगा, अगर ब्लू होगा तो नहीं सोऊंगा. फिर अब उसकी जैसे ही बोलते वो ब्लू हो गया, ये नहीं सो रहा अब. Going back on your words. He's not a man of his words. No, 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 no look. No, no, no. No look, no, 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 no. So. No, no, no.
Koala is coming to deliver it. Deliver signature. Thank you.
ଜରି ଗୋଡେ ଦେଇଥବୁ
Bye bye.
ଜରି ଆଣିଛୁ ନା କଣ
हाँ.
କଣ ଆଣିଛୁ
That's how the works is.
क्या लेके आई थी उसके अंदर? बिल्लो.
Works.
हाँ
Let's go.
उस जर्नी में तो नुआ आटा सब पूरे दी तो
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
ଆଉ ତ ଦୀପ ନାହିଁ
I
ସେମିତି
hope that
କରିଦେବୁ
you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would.
ଦେଇଦିଅ ତା କୋଡ଼କୁ ଦେଇଦିଅ
I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see.
ଦେଇଦିଅ ସେ ଡୁଗୁ ହାତରେ
क्या छाया है
हाँ देखा
खोल के देखो
खोल के दिखा दीजिए
गंदा हो जाएगा मेरा हाथ पूरा वाइट वाइट है क्या
ए, देने के टाइम थोड़ा फोटो दो दो है
दोनों आओ
If I could lay down beside you, I
क्या
would. Nothing really matters.
ये कहाँ गया
I hope that you are
अच्छा है
safe and that I will see you soon. That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would. I would.
अच्छा हुआ
As I do.
कितना सुंदर है शाइन करा पूरा
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well.
सब चलो बाय 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 डुगू हाँ चलो
जीवा तुम छड़े हो जीवो
ना ना मैं इधर से चली जाऊंगी अब जाओ यहाँ से ना ना फिर उधर नहीं अब जाओ
नहीं बोलेगी नहीं हाँ वो बोलेगी हाँ ये तो
इधर से
ना ये चलो
ओके सो ये फाइनली टाइम था सी ऑफ करने का वेरी इमोशनल एवरीथिंग वाज मिक्स्ड एंड जम्बल्ड इन देयर एंड सब पॉइंट्स इंक्लूडेड थे फर्स्ट पॉइंट था कभी दूर रहा नहीं गया है इवन दो स्टे बैक कॉम्पिटिशन के लिए जाती थी देयर वाज अ पर्टिकुलर डेडलाइन यू कम बैक टू एंड यहाँ पे डेडलाइन इट सीम्स टू फार एंड फिर जो भाई भी था ही हैज़ नेवर बीन अवे फ्रॉम मी सो एक इमोशनल थिंग तो ऑब्वियसली इरप्ट करता है आई जस्ट डिडंट एक्सपेक्टेड कि लाइक it was that intense so but excitement भी था obviously हर जगह कहीं ना कहीं excitement भी था कि now I'm gonna go live alone and I have to study experience a college life those kind of little bit excitement and there was the hope there was not the excitement but their eyes reflected the hope that what I can become while they leave me here and the tension everything is kind of was mixed up and it was a whole page documented nagging from both of my parents mom as well as dad they were just from that temple gate to the temple campus gate it was just a short distance but in that short distance oh my god I guess they read me the whole book of you know, how to take care, how to stay well, everything I would say. So it was like a moment, yeah, a precious moment. I won't never want to forget, but yeah, I never want to relive also. That it was that kind of moment. And now as the semester one is ending, I guess I did it, at least 1/8 part I did it. So on cheers of that 1/8 part, I love you mom and dad, and I love you Dugu.
There's not much to do when all I can
जाओ
is
जाओ
thinking about you. Not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
बाय तो तुम्हारा
When nothing really
तुम्हारा चश्मा
matters,
लेके जाना तो
that's
ये हो
all I
जाएगा
wanna do.
और सॉक्स बॉटल
Hope
सब
that
नीचे
you
है
were
पड़ा है
safe
नीचे
and that I will see you soon.
हाँ जाओ
If I
जाओ
could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every